Yeah, what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy right here. Um, on a new series of documenting my day-to-day trade, like I told you all on my last YouTube video. Yeah, so currently it's still Sunday, 2nd of August. Yeah, at the time of recording this video. So without wasting much time, I'm looking at taking a trade on USD CAD. Remember the last video I made, I told you all that I mainly prioritize the Asian session in trading. In fact, most of the profit I've made is during the Asian session. Yeah, like, I just love it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to taking this trade. Yeah, this is on USD CAD, 30 minutes. I trade on the 30 minutes time frame. So I'm gonna be trading a 50K instant account that I got on Equity Edge. Yeah, so what am I looking or why am I looking to take this trade on the sell? Okay, so basically what I look for on a trade is if you see this line here, this horizontal line here, it's the close, it matches with listen, it matches with this red candle with this straight line here. So this is the close. I mark out the last candle of the previous session. So I then since it was a bearish candle, that means it closed on the downside. So that is why I put it. But if it was a bullish candle, such as, let me show you an example. I'll put it, let's say this blue candle was the close. I'll just put it here. So what I'm looking for is on this trade is normally when I come, like, look at the last trade I took. This was on Thursday. This was the Asian session, but I took this one on New York session because during the Asian session I didn't see my setup, so it's it's good I just stay out. Yeah, so I was still on the chart. So market closed beneath the close of the previous day and then went up, broke up. So I was patiently waiting for it to come back down. So it came back down here during 10:30 a.m. That was still London session. So I was supposed to enter here. Yeah, but maybe I still waited because of this weak rejection. So upon this one again, and yeah, I entered this break off again and retest. That is basically my criteria of getting in. I look at the structure, yeah, then the main um thing I look out on is the break off. Anytime price breaks beneath, I sell. If it's a downtrend, and anytime price break above, if it's an uptrend, I buy. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So right here I'm still looking to sell. Yeah, because to me, if you go up to the 4 hours, you see that USD CAD is still on a bearish trend. You can see clear this off and retest. This is like lower low, lower high, and it's about to create a lower low here, at least to this blue point. Yeah, so don't really like love bugging myself with a lot of analysis because if I do so, I'm trying to mix the whole shit up. So at the end of the day, I find out I make mistakes. So it's just better keep things simple as possible. Like my mentor Jeff Benson always said, keep it simple. So that's what I try to always do. So without wasting much of our time, this is what I'm looking out for. Either it breaks off of here, something like this. Let me narrate what I'm talking about. Either it breaks off of here and then breaks in again, retest, then boom. Yeah, right. Or if it's still unable to break out, keep rejecting, then I'm gonna get in, put my stop here, give it 11 pips, then yeah. So that's the third thing. Is of course you can see the rejections here. It keeps rejecting here. So in 24 minutes, again, I know what's up. But at the meantime, let me calculate my risk, the lot size I'm going to use. So some of you keep asking me how I get a proper lot size. Yeah, so this is how I do it. Go to your browser, type position size calculator. Yeah, bringing it by Baby Pips. Yeah, Baby Pips position size calculator. Click it. There's a lot of different ones. You can go ahead and use it, but this is the one I'm most familiar with. I use all the time. Yeah, so this is the account balance you want to use. So mine is 50,000, like that's 500k. Mine is 50,000. So I'm willing to risk 0.0 point, let me say 7%, 0.7%. Then my stop loss here is 11.1. This is the stop loss, this red here. That is the stop loss, 11.1. So put it in 11.1. Yeah, choose the pair here. This case is USD CAD. We are trading USD CAD. So you're asked to put the current price of USD CAD. So come up here, put the current price that is reading now. It's 1 point, this is it here, 1.40120, 1.40120, 1.40120. Okay, and boom, this is it. So we are to use 4.4 standard lots. Please ignore these mini lots and micro lots, just standard lots. This is 4.4. So if we use 4.4 lots, we are going to be risking, the amount at risk would be $350, which is the 0.7% of 50k. It's $350. So having done with that, you just have to wait. You can see the rejection right there. Right, so I'm gonna update you all on what happened next. So stay tuned. Yeah, so what's up, yo? I just got into this trade. So you can see the last time I made a video, I said keep discovered my stop loss has been triggered. So rejection, right? This is the screenshot here. So you all know I risked $350, but I'm going to be showing the went slightly above that record, which is right at the top, so you can see. So Stay tuned. I'll update
probably
you
the
on
spread
whether
or
we hit
slippage.
a
Yeah,
stop loss
those happen
or
at
we
times.
take profit
So
on this trade.
yeah, we good. I might just check
Anyways,
if
we are
I'm
prepared
going
for
to
it.
see
Anyone,
any
any one
trade
of them.
again for the day, because normally I take an average 2 trades per day. Yeah,
So guys, last trade of the day, I just caught a move on XAG, but then I didn't trade it on my 50k account. I traded on my 25k account. So there's it. I made, I sold XAG, same entry. Yeah, but I wasn't um with my PC to film that, so I made um $258 on both positions. It's still an instant account. Is it still from Equity Edge, instant funded? This is still the 50k. 50k. Say today it was a loss, and I just got in on the 25k. Yeah. So I'm done for the day. Done. Totally done. It's still dropping, but totally done for the day. Thank you. Thank